Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, save any files and close programs so the system can reboot cleanly. Once done, disconnect USB drives and external media to prevent drivers loading. Make sure a wired keyboard is connected. Wireless can miss key presses. Restart the PC immediately. As the BIOS/post screen appears, repeatedly press F8, not F2 or delete. You do this to open the Advanced Boot Options menu. If you miss it, let Windows start and restart again. Timing matters here. Once the Advanced Boot Options menu appears, use the arrow keys to navigate. Do not use the mouse. You choose between Safe Mode with networking, or Safe Mode with command prompt based on whether you need internet or command line tools. Highlight your option and press Enter. Windows will load only essential drivers and services to minimize conflicts. Be patient. Startup can take longer than normal because the system is loading a minimal environment. If prompted, log in with an administrator account. You finish by performing the maintenance you need. Run antivirus scans, uninstall recent software, or update drivers while in safe mode because fewer services run. Once complete, reboot normally from start and choose Restart so Windows returns to full mode. If the F8 key did not bring up options, try a full power off and hold Shift during boot, or use your Windows XP recovery CD to access repair options. If nothing works, check the keyboard connection first. It's a common, fixable issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.